Hello everyone, welcome to Scholastic House YouTube channel. Today we are solving a simultaneous question. According to question, solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. Equation 1 is x is equal to 7 minus 3y. In this equation, x subject form में है. In equation 2, x square minus y square is equal to 39. Guys, आप देख सकते हैं कि इक्वेशन 1 जो है इसमें वो लीनियर है, इक्वेशन 2 जो है वो क्वाड्रेटिक है. इन केस के अगर दोनों इक्वेशंस में y सब्जेक्ट फॉर्म में हो तो हम इनके राइट हैंड साइड्स इक्वेट कर सकते हैं, बट इन दिस केस सिर्फ एक इक्वेशन में x सब्जेक्ट फॉर्म में है और दूसरे में सब्जेक्ट फॉर्म में नहीं है. सो हम इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन नंबर 2. सो x की वैल्यू है 7 माइनस 3y होल स्क्वायर माइनस y square is equal to 39. Using second identity, expanding this expression, so 49 minus 42y and plus 9y square minus y square. 39 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आके सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. Now by simplification, 9y square minus 1y square, it is 8y square minus 42y, and 49 minus 39 is plus 10 equals to 0. Again, we can take 2 as a common factor. So 4y square minus 21y plus 5 is equal to 0. 4y square minus 21y plus 5 is equal to 0 over 2, that is 0. By middle term breaking, 4y square minus y minus 20y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here y is common. So 4y minus 1 minus 5 is common. 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. 4y minus 1, we can take common. 4y minus 1 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So in this way, if 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1 over 4 or 0.25. To get corresponding value of y, if y is 0.25, then we can use equation number 1. Now x is equal to 7 minus 3 into 0.25. So that is equal to 6.25. In this way, first point is 6.25, 0.25. If second factor, that is y minus 5 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5. Now to get value of x, 7 minus 3 into 5 and 7 minus 15, and that is negative 8. In this way, second point is negative 8 and 5. So finally, we have 2 points, this one and negative 8 and 5. In this way, this problem on simultaneous equations is completed. Hopefully, you have understood this problem on simultaneous equations. To get more and more videos on different syllabuses, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every incoming video in time. Thank you for watching.